Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So, in today's video, we have decided that we'll create a short video, like a small video, where you can find how we can register a account with the Oracle ERP and how we can request a demo lab. So because we have request some comments, so uh, how we can create our demo account. So based on that, we have decided that we'll create and record the session. How we can create that demo account and how we can get that lab training and demo account. So before that, so please, if you are new, then you need to just go to YouTube and search a Swedish Stream channel. So from there you can learn step by step, and please subscribe and follow join us so you will get latest update. So let's just start. So today we'll discuss like step by step how we can register with Oracle account and how we can create. So that should be like your office email address, office domain. So that will be only possible. Without office domain, it will not allow, or otherwise they will not provide a account. That should be LCS pass, like company partner or LCS pass. So then only they can provide the account. So first, we need to navigate to Oracle Learning Platform. Then we can access the course. Then free course, paid course, all the content will be available there. So in the step one, you need to visit this like URL. So I will just provide. I will also provide in the description a detailed URL, each steps URL. So you don't need to be in the trouble. So you will be easily able to find. So just wait. I will provide all the details step by steps. Just explaining how we can create. Then in the create account, then provide your email address, office email address, office name, then login. Once you logged in, then you will get like search NetSuite content, explore course, check LCS pass is available or not. So in demo page you can't, in learning page you can't find that access. You need to navigate to the course module. So based on that course module, you will get that live access. So from there you can request. Once you will click on that, it will ask you to redirect to the new page that I will show you. So once a request demo is done from the website and submitted within 40 within 48 hours, you will get the email confirmation from the Oracle teams, so that you will be provided an email. So from there you can use and you can access and you can continue training. So here if you see, so just you need to search like Oracle MyLearn. So here you need to come here and just click on the first link. Once you will click, then you will get the screen. So here you need to search ERP or any course module. Once you will search, so if you are new here, you don't have account, then from here you can create your own account. So let's sign out. So from here you have to first register yourself, then only you can get the demo account. So first you will need to click on the account, sign up. So once you will click on sign up, so you need to fill each and every details. So this will be your company email address, password. You have to retype, select the country, your first name, what is your job role, job title, your work email or phone number, then your company. Once you will click create, the account will be created. Then from there you can re-log in. So once you will re-log in, then you will get this screen. From here you need to search ERP or any course module. So just as you see here, I search ERP fundamental. So once here also you can see your details, your dashboard, each and everything. So once you will able to find this course module, so from here you can see the lab. So you have to click on this lab account. So once you will click here, so few questions they will ask, like what are the company name, is the company name, if it is like a subscribed company from their Oracle account, Oracle side, Then just you need to provide your company name, your first name, your last name, then your email address. Then you have to select what are the module, what which type of demo account you need. So if I need ERP fundamentals, then just select the country something, and you need to click on submit. Let's say test company. So from here you can submit. Once you will submit here, you will get email confirmation the request has been submitted successfully. So within 24 hours or 2 business day, you will get confirmation from that side. Because I'm using a wrong email, maybe it was taking some time. So even also using wrong email or company, so it's accepted. So it will ask, it will say like it will provide within 2 days. If it is a valid email, if it is registered company with the Oracle, then they will provide. Otherwise it will, they will not reply anything. So you will get email confirmation with that. So once your request is done, after 2 days, or within 2 days, you will get email confirmation from there. Then you will get a instruction also. From that instruction you need to click there, and you need to follow your email. Then once you will get this, then you have to log in. NetSuite login. So you need to come here, you need to search here, you need to place your email address, you need to provide place your password also. They will provide a dummy password, so you need to use that password. They will provide one PDF. In that PDF you can find, just click on this and you can re-log in. Once you will re-log in, then they will ask a few question, 2 to 3 question for safety purpose. So if you are using another device to log in, then that might be asked that any one of the question, so that you need to answer if you are using other device or any other laptops to log in. So this is the process, and each and every steps I will be providing this URL also I will be providing in the description, so that will be easy for you. Just click here, login and sign up. Then from this screen also, this is URL also I will provide. From directly you can, how you can get, if you are registered already, just place that email address, company details. Then you select the email module, which module of account you need, just click on submit. So this is the easy process. Don't worry about that. So easily you can create an account and you can get demo account from Oracle side. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you. And thank you. If you like the video, please watch and subscribe my channel, and follow us for more content, and be with us. So we are coming with regularly with new content. So if you have any doubt, anything you need, just put your comment. So I will be review the comment, and I will be provide a suitable answer for that. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Happy learning.